I must say, Shania used to remember lines from every draft.
Oh.
उसको इतना लाइंस पूरा याद था कि हम पुराने कोई एक ड्राफ्ट का भी लाइन फट से बोल देती थी वो एंड बी से ये कभी लिखा था यार
कौन है वो जो सबसे ज्यादा ओवरथिंक करता है सीन्स के बारे में?
They both are so effortless in the way they do it and they both come so prepared with
Yeah.
what they have to do.
Yeah.
So मैं ही ज़्यादा बहुत खिचड़ी पका देता हूँ.
उससे ज्यादा प्रेशर पड़ता है आप लोगों पे या मतलब इट्स इजी गोइंग एंड यू सॉर्ट ऑफ अडैप्टेड? प्रेशर डालते हैं आप दोनों पे? प्रेशर होता है या नहीं?
I don't know विजय ये क्यों अपने आप पे ले रहे हैं कि वो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं प्रेशर था. In fact, we got like a lot of freedom to explore our characters too, and a lot of liberty to understand our characters and to be able to express like that. You know, I think that space you don't get with every filmmaker that you work with. You have to be very lucky when you have.
सीन शूट करने के बाद सबसे पहले मॉनिटर के पास कौन भागता था देखने के लिए सब कुछ ठीक है या नहीं? तू? मैं? इट्स बेसिकली मैं. क्यों? तब you want everything to be perfect.
I like it when things are not perfect and there is some humanness in it. मैं बस इसलिए देखता हूँ क्योंकि कभी-कभी मेरे खुद के लिए समझने के लिए ज़रूरी है कि मैंने क्या चॉइस मेक किया और ये कैसे प्ले आउट हो रहा है.
I have come late and they both have been ready and I had to make up a story. So I have done that.
Tu Ya Main is clearly winning hearts and also numbers at the box office. But what are the key takeaways and what exactly are the reasons to be watching the film? We have the star cast here with us to tell us about every aspect of Tu Ya Main. And of course, you know, if they've seen all the beautiful reactions that have been coming on social media. Thank you so much for giving us your time today. Tu Ya Main. Wow, what an amazing title. It's basically a game. You know, it's either you or me. And here we see relationship, you know, being focused on, which I think is the reality that we're living in. It's not as easy. Relationships have become very fragile. And this film also deals with that, apart from many other things. I'll first begin with you, Adarsh. What are the key takeaways and what exactly for you really means the most important thing about Tu Ya Main?
I think to be working with Bijoy and to be working on a commercial film with Anand sir, Color Yellow, you know, I feel like this combination is what pulled me towards the project instantly because they both represent very different schools of cinema. And also it was the first time that I actually willingly considered a commercial film and could also see myself playing the lead in a commercial film, you know, and I feel like it gave me the chance and the opportunity to reach out to a much wider audience than I have been able to in the past with restrictions because of my work, whether it's, you know, a limited theatrical or you know, just a Netflix or an Amazon. But with this, it just gave me the scope to reach to a much wider audience. And I also knew that Bijoy, somebody having been a fan of his since the longest time, since his first film Chaitan, I knew that the way he presents his characters, very, very few people can present their lead characters like that. There's just a certain edginess and a coolness through which you know, get introduced to the characters, and I was just instantly attracted to the script.
Bijoy, when it comes to your films, you know, it's more about fractured identities, and there's always, you know, this affinity that you have towards characters who are not easy to be liked. I mean, if they're not easily likable, where does this come from? I mean, is there a particular reason that you adhere to that concept?
I guess I look at myself like that. I'm not much of a likable guy, but I really love to explore the flaws in people. So I think that finds its way in my storytelling also. So that finds its way in the characters I try and flesh out. Nobody's perfect, and I think when you start scratching the surface and seeing the flaws in people, it lends itself to a much more complex and layered storytelling. For me, that's what excites me as a filmmaker. So I guess I get drawn to that.
A lot of people also, you know, refer to your cinema as very sleek. How do you sort of, you know, look at that? What is that term that, you know, you would want them to sort of
That's a
have in mind?
tag I've got now, and as much as I try to run away from it or try to break it, it's like
Goes on.
it gets doubled down on me with everything that I do. But now I feel it's okay. It's a good thing. So,
Hmm.
but it comes with a lot of pressure also. I feel like with everything that I do,
Yes.
if it's not slick now, then that'll be a problem for me now. So it's
Okay.
I better kind of keep up that.
Keep up that,
image
keep the
now.
bar, right?
Yeah, keep the bar. Right.
Shania, you know, when it comes to you, there is this family comes, you know, with a massive legacy, and you know the expectations obviously soar. How is it, you know, you're dealing with all the pressure that comes with that, and of course, you're living up to the expectations that fans, viewers, critics, family members also have.
I'm honestly right now just starting out. I just keep my head down, I just do the work, and I love what I do. I'm very grateful that I've gotten this chance to do what I do, and I don't take these opportunities for granted. I don't misuse these opportunities, and what's in my control is I can keep working on myself, keep bettering myself, and of course, I'm here for the audience's acceptance, right? I have to earn my place here. So, with time, we'll be able to tell. But I have my family's support, my friends' support, and now I'm just waiting for the audience's acceptance.
So, from you know, when you chart your journey, when you're looking at, you know, what would lie ahead, what are those three big points that you always keep in mind? What is it that you would like to focus on? Let's say for the next 5 years, what are the do's and don'ts that you've laid out for yourself?
It's a very comprehensive plan. I can barely plan tomorrow.
I know. And we should not really be planning much in life either.
No, honestly, like my only criteria um is to enjoy the work that I do. For me, that's extremely important to be able to enjoy the work that I do. And sometimes the enjoyment might not be necessarily just like fun and games and laughing. Sometimes it's also grueling, but you still enjoy the grind. You know, so yeah, I mean, you know, I've chosen to do this. I studied finance in college, and I chose to do this. I pivoted, so I feel like it's very essential for me to be able to do that. That's my only criteria, honestly.
Right. Who's the one who's actually overthinking scenes on the sets? कौन है? कौन है वो? जो सबसे ज़्यादा overthink करता है scenes के बारे में?
They both are so effortless in the way they do it, and they both come so prepared with
Yeah.
what they have to do.
Yeah.
So मैं ही ज़्यादा बहुत उसमें खिचड़ी पकाता रहता हूँ.
उससे ज़्यादा pressure पड़ता है आप लोगों पे या मतलब it's easy going and you've sort of, you know, adapted? Pressure डालते हैं आप दोनों पे?
हाँ.
Pressure होता है?
नहीं.
Yeah. नहीं,
I
इस
don't-
कुछ और
I don't know
सुनती
Vijay
हूँ।
ये क्यों अपने आप पे ले रहे हैं कि वो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं प्रेशर था हम पे. In fact, we got like a lot of freedom to explore our characters to and a lot of liberty to understand our characters and to be able to express like that. You know, I think that space you don't get with every filmmaker that you work with. You have to be very lucky when you have
तो
that.
सेट्स पे सबसे ज्यादा easily lines कौन भूल जाता है? मतलब you remember the lines but not exactly the words. कोई ऐसा है? कौन है
ऐसा
वो
तो
तू या कौन है
दोनों
वो
में
मैं?
नहीं था ऐसा.
कुछ
I
भी
don't think
नहीं
they
था।
both. But I must say, Shania used to remember lines from every draft.
ओह,
उसको इतना लाइंस पूरा याद था कि हम पुराने कोई एक ड्राफ्ट का भी लाइन फट से बोल देती थी. वो उस समय में ऐसा एंड बीच से ये कभी लिखा था यार. बट शी यूज्ड टू फुल्ली एकदम उसको पता था.
अच्छा। सबसे पहले अपना सीन शूट करने के बाद सबसे पहले मॉनिटर के पास कौन भागता था देखने के लिए कि सब कुछ ठीक है या नहीं? तू? मैं? इट्स बेसिकली मैं, राइट?
मैं बहुत करता हूँ.
क्यों? तब you want everything to be perfect?
नहीं. In fact, I don't like things to be perfect at all. I like it when things are not perfect and there is some humanness in it. मैं बस इसलिए देखता हूँ क्योंकि कभी-कभी मेरे खुद के लिए समझने के लिए जरूरी है कि मैंने क्या चॉइस मेक किया और ये कैसे प्ले आउट हो रहा है. और ताकि मैं ऑफ कोर्स बिजॉय तो है ही वहाँ पे ये हमें बताने के लिए कि हम कब सही है और गलत है, लेकिन कभी-कभी खुद भी वो मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट होता है जानना. बस इसलिए मैं
Okay, the moment the movie releases, who's the first one to actually Google themselves and see, you know, what the review is reading about the performances? I think each one of us does that. Is that? आप पढ़ते हैं reviews सारे?
Definitely मैं सब पढ़ता हूँ.
Literally?
Yeah. All of us have been doing it.
Because I've seen a lot of actors, you know, consciously made a decision now not to read any of the reviews that are put out. You also read
think-
all the social media reactions, at least some, if not all.
I try and read as much as possible, but that's the only way you get to know how is whether it's working, what's working, not working.
All right. Have you ever been late to the set and made some story to Bijoy ji and said that ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, or were they school students on time and
I
all
did that.
prepared?
I have come late and they both have been ready, and I had to make up a story. So I have done that. They haven't.
Right. So clearly, this we know that the movie is high on fun, romance, and of course, this need to survive. The game, of course, what the circumstances they're placed in. But yes, clearly going by the chemistry that they have off screen is the reason enough for us to understand that it's exactly the same chemistry that we get to see on the big screen. And we really hope the movie to do really well at the theaters. It's the first day. We want the box office collection to be really, really high, and for all the adulation to come your way. Thank you so much for giving us your time.